Hello, I'm John, and this is Just a Gearhead. For those of you who watch this channel, you probably noticed that I haven't posted in a while. I think it's almost 6 months since my last video, something like that. That's really because second half of 2019 kind of sucked for me on a couple levels, but mainly the stuff I was trying to do with the Buick and a few other little other projects I was trying to work on. None of them were working out, and nothing was really going the way I wanted. So I got frustrated. When I get frustrated, I kind of walk away for a while. And I got frustrated enough that I walked away and thought about selling the Buick and all the stuff related to it. Obviously I didn't, it's still there. So hopefully we will be getting back to that in the near future. And well, 2020 so far has kind of sucked for everyone, and to the point where I got laid off. So I thought, you know what, I'm laid off, let's buy another project. Sounds like a plan. The wife agreed, but first I had to do this. And this. And this. So it's kind of a trade-off. I do those things, and you know, she agrees to let me buy another toy. But yeah, so I got this other project. It's hopefully going to be a driver project, something that I can, with a little work, get on the road, drive around while I work on it. But yeah, I think it'll be good. It'll probably also be a bit of a budget-related project. So I'll show you what I got. Enough talking about it. So here it is. All right, so what we have here is a 1968 Ford Ranchero. I believe it's got a 302 in it, automatic transmission. I'm not sure what it actually has for gears in the rear end at the moment. But yeah, this is the new toy, new project. Like I said, this is probably going to be a bit of a budget build. Yeah, so I think for now we're going to see if we can get it started up. The guy I got off to had it started and running at one point, so we're going to need a battery for sure. We'll throw a battery in it, see if we can get it going. Well, I don't know how much of a charge this battery has. It's been sitting for a while, so we'll see if we can get it running. That's a good sign. runs. Not sure if it's just the carbs gummed up from sitting or whatnot. You might have to order up some gaskets and take it apart and clean it and put it back together. But it does run, so that's a good. The starter solenoid I think is burnt out because it won't start with the key, but I can jump it and it works fine. So I'll be ordering one of those too. So I think now we'll give it a bath, wash it down, and go from there. Alright, well I guess we know why these cars rust along the box back here, behind the window. There doesn't seem to be any factory drain holes there. There's a couple of non-factory drain holes in the box. Some over there, some over there, some down there. So that's the Ranchero. That's the new project. Probably going to be, like I said, a budget project because I just really want to get it on the road and use it as a bit of a daily, have some fun with it, you know, that type of stuff. Hopefully it'll be smaller, quick videos for you guys as I go, and leave the Buick for some bigger episodes, or at least episodes where I get something more accomplished than just weld some stuff, grind some stuff, weld some stuff, you know. It's not, that wasn't really all that entertaining, I think, for you guys. Wasn't all that entertaining for me. But yeah, so if you guys would like, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want merchandise, t-shirts, mugs, stickers, posters, a whole bunch of stuff, please check out the link to my Redbubble page. I could really use it right now because I'm unemployed, and any money from that goes into the projects, and at the moment that will be the Ranchero. Thanks again for watching. Thanks to those who have subscribed and brought merchandise already, and we'll see you next time.